Hello viewers! Today I'm back with another unboxing video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this CASIO fx-991ES Plus calculator. As you guys know, this is a scientific calculator. It also gives 3 years warranty. It's written here, and it has 417 functions, display expressions same as textbook, easy menu function, and it has also two-way to power it. On the back side, it has given some functions like utilities, basic functions, special features, algebra, geometry, probability, statistics. It also comes with this slide-on hard case. Now let's just open it. This is the calculator. There is a lot of stuff written here, user's guide, and these are from another languages. The first one is of English and the other ones are of another languages. There is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 languages of user's guide. And then there is also this it's written that it's printed in Thailand, and this, and I don't know what is this, and this is a warranty card. If like they give warranty for 3 years, so it's an important card. And now you can see it. All the functions are written here. So this is for this video. Hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So hope to meet you guys in my another video.